Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so it's another What's New this week, so let's jump in. Alright, so on Monday, the ponytail extensions video will be up. I have actually 2 in my hair today, and I told you with that first video, if you haven't seen it, I will list it here, that I needed 2. So I've gotten 2, and I'm going to show you 3 ways how to wear your ponytail extension. It's so easy for summer. This is the best invention ever. And then on Wednesday, we are supposed to be going on our vacation on Friday. So, you know, we're still like, but I am going to do a video. I asked if that would be something that you would be interested in, and how we're preparing to go on our vacation. I'm gonna explain what the resort is doing to minimize the exposure and what their COVID-19 policies are, and then I'm going to tell you what we are doing in conjunction with that. So that'll be on Wednesday, and then on Friday, the shorts video. Yay! Although I have shown a couple of them here and there, but I'm going to show you my top 5 shorts to wear over 50. That doesn't mean these are the only ones, but I think these are the ones that flatter my body the most. Talk about now what I got in this week. Now, the other thing that I'm going to do is anytime I get a Grove order in, and for those of you that don't know what Grove is, I did a whole video on it. I will post it here. It's more natural products for not just cleaning products, but makeup products, household products, you name it. And they're more environmentally friendly. So I did get another Grove box, and I thought I would do an unboxing with you and show you what I picked up. So let's start. I picked up some treats. These are made in the USA. Treat for your dog. They have ones for cats too. So this one is, what is this one? This is break an egg flavor and lobster roll flavor. I will let you know how June likes them. I don't know because I just got them. I picked up a Grove hand sanitizer. It is back in stock. Thank goodness. They only let you buy one, but this is my absolute favorite. This is blood orange scent. So what I do is take the big ones and I fill the travel size ones up. That's a necessity because I love that. I mentioned briefly that they have Band-Aids that are made from bamboo. Bamboo grows like a weed. So anytime we can substitute paper towels, toilet paper, or anything else for bamboo, it's better for the environment. So I had gotten Matthew these and just regular. Well, they had ones with aloe vera, so I like that. So these ones are for burns and blisters, and they're hyperallergenic, and they have aloe vera in it. So I thought they were really cute. They have several different kinds, and I love the packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for switching everything that is in a plastic container into a bottle. But this is for dish soap. So it looks exactly the same. Whoop. So I picked this one up for dish soap, so it will sit in my caddy in place of the Miss Myers, because even though it's Miss Myers is better for the environment, it is still plastic. So the reusable pouches, which I will put here, use, I always forget this, something like 60% less plastic. You just refill it and you're using less plastic. So I love that, and I love these, and I think they look pretty and stunning on the counter. I picked up an SPF mint lip balm with hydrating olive oil. I got this actually for Matthew because his lips get chapped. I got another hand soap bottle. Let me show you this one. This one's a little bit different. I got this one for Matthew's bathroom. That was the last one. And then I got the little, so you can have just the clear bottle, or you can get the little, it looks like this. So you can buy them separately, or you can buy it together. No. So this one is smaller bottle, and then you can put you can buy the little rubber things to just keep the from sliding around. So I picked up that one. I told you about the floor cleaner that I picked up. So it looked like this, and then you have a bottle, and it's a spray bottle, glass spray bottle. Let me show you. See, they match. See that? So you know this is going to be glass cleaner. So even though I have purchased Aunt Fanny's vinegar glass cleaner, which I very, very much like, I'm going to try to switch and use less plastic. This obviously uses less plastic than a whole bottle of anything. In this case, it's glass cleaner. So you just pour this in, you pour the rest with water, and presto changeo. I don't know how it's going to work, but I just wanted to show it to you, and then I will let you know how it works. I will tell you the floor cleaner is phenomenal. So I have hardwood floors in predominantly the majority of my house, and it works beautifully. So that's what I picked up from Grove. Let's start with eyelashes. I'm obsessed with false eyelashes. So you all know here's how I break it down. Okay, so the ones I have on, let me come in nice and close. Okay, so these ones are a little bit more dramatic than the ones I've been wearing. These are also by Kiss, and these are called the Gala collection. So let me show you a close-up of those. So they're much more dramatic. They are very similar to the Lily Lash Miami, where they go up and down and up and down and up and down. But you know, I'm not paying a fortune. I think I got a 3-pack of them, and I got them off of Amazon. So you just check out my Amazon page. So this is how I would break them down. Go with little black dress if you want a very natural, easy look. And I really like these. For an everyday look. If you want to be a little bit more dramatic, then I would say go with Muse. Muse is just a little bit, that's what I've been wearing lately in the videos, so they're just a little bit more dramatic than the little black dress. And then the ones I'm wearing today are the Gala. So if you want to really, you know, vamp it up a little bit, then go with the Gala. They all feel very comfortable. When I am not wearing aviators, my next favorite pair of sunglasses are my Michael Kors, because they're beautiful. What I love about them is because they're not aviators, they don't have the metal arms, so I can just put them up on my head, which I really like. The other, if you have a metal, you know, if you have aviators, for me, they stick in my hair and it's just a nightmare. But I'm really tough on glasses. These have scratches all over them. I've had them for years. So I wanted to find something comparable that wasn't as expensive. So I found these ones on Amazon, and hello, can we say dupe? I mean, really? The only thing they don't have is the little Michael Kors logo, but otherwise beautiful. Again, just put them up, but I'm just gonna show you. Here's the dupe, if you will. I don't know, I'm not gonna even call it a dupe because I mean, they're just a pair of sunglasses, but here's the sunglasses from Amazon, sunglasses from Michael Kors. So it's amazing when the lenses aren't scratched up, how great they are. So I love these, and I'll be taking them on vacation. I'm gonna keep them in the, yeah. Pick up also some earrings, these ones right here. So here's the deal. I wanted to show you, normally I was gonna save this outfit for the shorts video, which will probably still go in the shorts video, but being that 4th of July is next week, and if you guys are looking for an incredibly cute outfit, which this is one of the ones that I will be taking because we will be at the resort for 4th of July, I just had to show this. So first, let's talk about the earrings. Incredibly cute. They are gold hoops with the little red tassels. Just adorable. They have them in a million colors, so you know, if you want to get blue because you have a red shirt, or you want to get white, whatever, they're just really cute. And I love all the little beaded detail here, so super cute. And then the shirt, love it. I'm gonna split screen for you here. Incredibly cute. Now this one is from Nordstrom's by Cece. Let me tell you what I love about this. Perfect square neckline. I can bend over, you can't see my prosthesis, that's always a good thing. I love that it covers this part of the sleeve, and it's just got this little puff detail, which is really cute. Super soft, it's almost like a cotton linen blend, really, really cute. Tucks into the shirt, but you can't, tucks into the shorts, super cute. But let me just untuck for you because I didn't untuck in the video. So you can see, it's long enough if you want to wear it out with the shorts, super cute, right? And then put a pair of flats with it, adorable. You know, Nordstrom's tends to be a little more expensive than, say, a company like Versona. So Versona does have this shirt, a very, very similar shirt, and they have it in red, white, or blue. So you can find your, you know, your 4th of July shirt for sure. I do not know if Versona will, the only thing is you have to check shipping to make sure it arrives on time, but even so, it's just a cute summer shirt. So I will list both the one I'm wearing, which is from Nordstrom's, as well as the ones from Versona. This is something that I will be, and then this is the Kendra Scott pendant. You know, I'm obsessed with this. It is, I think it's still on sale. I just recently picked up this silver, so I will show you that when it comes in. This is the gold and it's hammered, and it has the toggle in the back, so you can put it long, you can put it short, whatever. I love the versatility of that. So I thought this was a really cute outfit, and so I wanted to show it to you. So I'm all over the place here. Normally I'm like so much more organized, y'all, but here's the thing. I mentioned that I had, in the last video that I did, I mentioned that I had picked up some dupes sandals from Versona. Look like I bought them in the white, and then I also bought them in a nude, and my daughter already stole the nude. And now I'm like, I should have got a nude pair too. So when I was researching, what makes my Tory Burch sandals so special is I love that metal detail. They came out with one with metal. I briefly showed the picture and I ordered the black. So let me show you this. Stunning, gorgeous, love, love, love. This is, I needed to pick up the black. This is gorgeous. So it has the metal detail here. I love these ones because they have the gunmetal medallion. I think they're beautiful. So love these. If they do have your size, check now, because they are limited on their sizes. They have them in a black, and they also have them in a brown. Very limited in their sizes. I knew these would go. I hope you guys pick them up. That's the thing, and they're squishy. They are actually more comfortable than the Tory Burch, y'all. And these ones are $25. These ones, $20, and they have like 10 designs. So very cute. One thing, size up half a size. All right, so I also did pick up a couple backpacks for the boys, my husband and my son. This is the one my son picked up. These are by Speedo. What I love about them is they're waterproof, so the whole bottom is waterproof. I got them to take on vacation because normally I'm the one that carries everything. And this time around, everybody is carrying their own stuff because we have a lot more stuff that we're taking, hence the video of how we're gonna stay safe, or as safe as we can on vacation. These are awesome. They come in probably about 10 different colors, shapes, patterns. They're super huge. What I love about them, these are perfect for like, I mean, they're perfect for school too, but perfect to take to like swim or the beach. It comes with a dirt bag. So it's a waterproof bag. You can put your swimsuit in there, goggles, whatever. It hooks in. You can unhook it. If something's dirty, this would be great for football. If his shirt gets dirty, whatever, you can just throw it in there. And then it's got all this room in here. And then obviously it has side pockets for water bottles and stuff like that. Adjustable straps, padded straps. And then in the very back, it has a place. So in the back of the bag, here we go. Let me show you. You guys, it has everything, I swear. It actually has a seat cushion. Is that so cool? And it says Speedo, dive in. So you can use it as a seat cushion. You could use it as a flotation device. You can use it as anything. And then this is all padded, so you could put a laptop in here and take out this, but I loved these. So this is the one that I got for my son. He chose that one. Chose this one for my husband. So just super, super cute. Backpacks, and I just picked those up. I actually picked them up for our vacation. And if you're looking for a gift to give someone for whatever, I have been meaning to mention this. I've gotten them for my mom's birthday, my daughter's birthday. I got them both these, and then I got a thing for my husband. So they're so cute. They're like, I think it's kindnotes.com. I don't know, it'll be in the description box. You can get jars, you can get tins, and then you choose whatever. If it's birthday, if it's love, if it's Easter, if it's just because, if someone's sick, if they're having a baby. And there are these individual little notes that are in these gorgeous little envelopes, and when they're having a tough day, they open one up and it has the most beautiful sayings. And I thought it was such a unique gift. All right, guys, so that is it for my video today. I will see you tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and stay safe out there. Bye guys.